Did you know that Cyelee offers 10 different red dots for your RMR footprint? They have 2 introductory sights in the CT2 designation. They have 2 large competition sights called the Bull Pro and the Bull X Pro, and they have an enclosed version called the Bear. But today I'm going to be talking about the Cyelee Wolf line. And there are 5 different optics in the Wolf line. They all have 24 by 17 millimeter windows. They all weigh 1.4 ounces, use a CR1632 battery in a top or side battery tray. They all last approximately 50,000 hours, which in regular talk is 5.7 years, which is probably on the lowest setting, but let's hope it's the middle setting. They all have night vision settings, are IPX7 waterproof, and are motion activated. And they come with a limited lifetime warranty, which is moving on up from that previous 3-year warranty. The first version is the Wolf Zero. That's your basic 3 MOA red dot, no rear sight channel on the housing, and that's for $102. Like I said though, that's with shake awake and a top battery tray, so already a good deal. Then after that it jumps into the Wolf 2, Stig RS, or the G Stig RS, which is supposed to help with astigmatism, as it puts a pretty large 64 MOA circle around that 3 MOA red dot in red or green, and that's for $123. Next is the Pro line. The Wolf Pro maintains that 3 MOA red dot, but makes the housing stronger for duty or carry. It bumps it up to that stronger 7075 and provides a side battery tray and a lockout feature, so no buttons accidentally get pressed. It also puts that sight channel in the back of the housing, and the Wolf Pro is $170. Or you could use the code Hawaii10, it brings it down to $153. The final version is the Big Bad Wolf X Pro, which tightens up the 3 MOA red dot to 2 MOA and gives you the option to add a 26 MOA circle to your window. For reference, the Holosun 507C and K use a very similar 32 MOA circle. So you can choose the 2 MOA dot, 26 MOA circle, or the circle dot combination. This version just came out and it's $220 on their site or $260 on Amazon. However, if you use code Hawaii10 on their site, it drops to $197. So let's unbox it right now and see what it's got going for it. Okay, we've got your typical Cyelee box. Very bright red, white, and blue. Instructions all over the place. Wolf X Pro, fully submersible, rainproof. Oh, and the screw torque is 15 pounds, if you're wondering. Check it out. All right, we got a lot of stuff here. We have a cleaning cloth. We have a read before use. Warning, read before use. Basically just says how to move your dot. Trouble holding 0? Well, properly screw your optic into your firearm. So I've noticed that a lot of these Cyelee red dots, they do come pretty zeroed, but of course you're going to want to make your adjustments. Of this little card, I do agree with the 25-yard zero. Good stuff. Little sticker, and it's one of those like semi-transparent stickers, like a film, which is pretty cool. A little different. We have your instructions. Might want to read them before you use your optic. Let's see what we got. We have a screwdriver, mini screwdriver, and a little star bit. Very useful. We have all kinds of screws here. Looks like this one says screw spec 3.5 by 0.6. It's a T10. There's a bunch of them inside. And that's screw spec 632. Optic with the case. Let's just see if there's anything else in here besides this desiccant. That's it. All right. This case is pretty tight, but you know, once you have it mounted, it's usually pretty easy to take off. Little lip right there. There it is. Woof X Pro. Got that side channel. This is pretty useful. Adjustments. Looks pretty good. Okay, to turn it on, it says to press any button. However, I found that the bottom button does not turn it on. So I'll try the bottom button. Nothing. And the top button. Oh, there it is. And you hold the top button and change through the reticles. Okay. All right, let's go back to the single dot. There we go. Let's go all the way to the top. All right, this is the brightest. And we're going to count backwards. So I'm guessing this is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Night vision. Yeah. Going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Let's change this to the circle. Pretty bright. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Night vision. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty bright. Let's bring it back down to 3. I usually like giving me about 6 or 7. So 1, 2, 3. One more, 4. There you have it. Now let's see if I can do this on camera. I'm going to turn it. And you hold top and the bottom for the lockout. So you're going to hold it until it blinks. There you go. Now pushing the top button. It's not going to go up anymore. Pushing the bottom button. Not going to go up anymore. Not going to go down anymore. And hold 2 buttons again. To exit lockout and back up. And to shut off, hold the bottom button. Done. Now we're going to jump out to look at some parallax and the shake awake, and we're going to jump right back in. So, anytime now. Well, another thing I wanted to mention real fast is sometimes the reticle can get a little holographic-y. Like I can see the emitter. It's like a square red picture on the lens. I'll see if I can get a better picture of this, put it up on the screen, and also try to capture it later. Okay, it's a nice day, Hawaii day. We made it outside, so got some rain in the distance, and I have the red dot set up for that far lamppost right in the center. So we're going to come down, we're going to check parallax. And that's the parallax with the circle dot. Okay, we're also going to check the shake awake. So right now it's off, but you can see that kind of hologram-ish on top. I think I provided a still of that earlier, but we're just going to try to see how it is to shake awake. Okay, now we're going to do the single dot. That's the 2 MOA dots. I have it set to 3 under max. Alright, here's another shake awake test. Turn right back on. Alright, and we're back. So I opened up the little bag with the screws on it, and there are, I forgot, there are 3 different kinds. So one's the 3.5, one is the 632, and then the other one is the 440. So pretty awesome of them to provide the screws, and there are 3 of each. So hey, you lose one, they're good. So I wonder what this is going on. Wow. What do we have here? Palmetto State Dagger. This is the SW3, which is the 3 side ports of equal size, threaded barrel, and the sight on top. And this is the Glock 19 clone, Gen 3. Just looks like an RMR pattern to me. Okay. Well, let's try it. Okay. Well, looks pretty good. turn this. Switch this reticle. Okay. And one more for the dot. And turn it down a little bit. Let's see. Now I have it set pretty low because, you know, you want to see that. There's that co-witness with the sight. I would say lower 1/5 maybe. There's that sight channel in the back there. And the two irons lining up with that dot right there. Pretty good. Bring it up pretty bright now. There we go. And let's max it out. Whoa, all right. Okay, that's good. Getting sunburned for a little while. There you have it. Looks good too. So, that's about it. How do you like the Big Bad Wolf X Pro? Let me know below what you think. Whenever I get a chance to take this to the range, I'll do so. Most definitely. And we'll see what happens then. Meantime, thanks for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe if it helped. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Pew pew.